What's it called when you add them and then you divide them?
That's mean
Oh.
or average.
This is my favorite.
Middle number when put in a row. Take notes. Mode. Most people might forget, but it's
Can I answer it?
put it in order. I guess I should say
Please let
better.
me answer this.
Yeah, or greatest to
I
least.
like
It's still in
to
the middle.
out answer.
And then mode.
Wait, Mr. Tobel.
Mode is the most common
I give order.
term that occurs.
If 3 goes 10 times, it's the mode.
And then
Wait,
range
most common
is the.
Term that occurs.
Range is the biggest one divided.
Yes.
The range is the
Yeah,
biggest
yeah,
one
that's no
plus
more, don't worry
the
about it.
smallest one divided by.
Stupid, I don't think
Not
it was
divided.
last
Oh, wait,
year.
what is
And the range is the highest minus the lowest. You want to see how wide it is. So largest
What about outliers?
This is the first year in math.
Term.
We just got that exam.
We
minus
also know average.
lowest
We also need to know average.
term. It's just another name for its average.
Of range.
Of mean. Mean is average. Mean and average are the same.
Choose your nice name.
No, it's not, range doesn't actually measure the middle. It just measures how wide it is. No reason, because it's a different, it's a different text box. That's why. All right. Shh. All right, we're gonna collect some data from the class. Let's see, hold up.
Wait, don't go anywhere.
I just, no. We need like a numeric thing, so.
Oh.
Not the range.
No.
You liar.
How many siblings you got?
2. I was gonna say 3.
Don't include yourself. Don't include yourself. Two.
Largest term.
No, you said it was like 12.
One.
That's the range. You liar.
3,
Liar.
3. 1. Wait, what? Is it 3 and 1? Oh, okay.
I was there in the war during 2014.
3. Go. 2, 4, 1. Go. 3.
You get hit by
Someone's on those.
Look at these guys. They're not even paying attention. I literally point at them. Hey, Rachel, how many siblings you got?
5. Hey, Shovel, wake up.
How many siblings you got? 4?
I got 8.
I want to go.
2?
2.
2?
Yo, brother, you're such just kind of mad. 0.
You have your brother.
But I was.
2. Okay. And I'll include myself, which is 1.
You know I have a middle brother. Oh, younger brother.
I figured if you have 2 and then you only have one older. All right. Yeah, a lot of 2s. Okay, so
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
So- we're gonna put down this data. So everyone write this down. This is, yeah, write that down. Because
Is that a 1?
all these are, anything is a
What
1.
is
It's like
that?
the binary numbers.
Are you gonna write this out for us?
Yeah, I did it wrong.
Yeah, I'm not
Oh, yeah,
gonna
raw.
make you make data on the test.
If you
You'll get
think I
data.
did it wrong before I left.
Bro?
Oh, yeah, wrong.
That's my younger brother.
Oh, yeah.
That's
but
a
no,
huge
I think-
Total, that's my younger brother.
I'm happy it's.
He looks, he
started.
does look like your family.
They always say we look
Yeah,
alike.
yeah.
I don't look like.
All right. His little brother? I think, what's his little brother? He looks like a, yeah, how, what grade is he?
You teach his older brother.
4th, yeah. There you go. All right. Okay, we're gonna do all 3. Guys, you're talking way too much over there. We're gonna do all 3 things. First thing I'm going to do is find the mean. So I'll do it underneath here, but you could do it underneath your numbers. So I'm gonna find the mean, which means I'm gonna add every number together. I'll pull out a calculator. What's up? It's recording, but doesn't mean you shouldn't not listen. Yeah?
12.
Is it gonna be?
Mhm.
So right now, you're taking my
29,
notes.
22.
Okay, 2 plus
That's
2.
a recording. Right now, you're taking my notes.
Oh, I lost it.
I'm just waiting for you to do it.
29, 33,
Are we
37,
gonna put all these numbers in?
39,
Yeah.
41, 43,
Or do it by
45,
hand.
46.
Oh, so you're gonna
Am I right? 46.
Wait, I'm checking.
It's gonna take-
I got
Hey,
42.
math doesn't show.
Okay,
Yeah,
so the total of them is 42
Wrong.
over,
41.
you might have just missed a number, that's all. It's very common to miss a number. Over, there's 18 data points or 18 people we asked.
5 by 6.
So what are we gonna do if we miss a number on the test?
Yeah. Well, you see-
No, leave it as a decimal because that's
You
a
don't-
Why didn't you tell me to put a space so I could?
7 over 3.
You don't look
So
like
2 and 1/3.
What's 18? Oh, there's 18
numbers.
18 people we asked or 18 numbers we're using. Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me to put a space so I could write?
No, just put it in here. I'm just putting it here so everything's on one page. So
So
no
this
one
is
else.
a mean,
That's the mean. So just put mean next to underneath it. Yeah.
So for our testing thing, let's say if we, add all of these together, but let's say if we miss the number, would we do have points?
Yeah, because you literally have to add them all together.
Because
You better error.
but can it be the concept that we?
Shut up.
When we do it right.
Don't talk to me. Median. All right. So that's the mean. 2 1/3. Now, does that make sense logically to have a third of a sibling?
No.
No. So you would normally round it to 2 in this situation.
Yes.
So that's 2.
It sounds about right.
So were the answer?
No. I'm just saying first don't round it just to point it out. But normally your mean, it would make sense to round it because you're talking about children. But 2 1/3 means something like, you have 2 people that have 2 and 1 person that has a third.
Have you seen the show 2.5 Men?
Oh, okay.
Kobe, you said something earlier. What's up, my man? All right, keep your mask on though.
It's 2 1/3.
Okay. So next one, middle number. Middle number. In order to find the middle number, what are we gonna have to do? Put the numbers in order. So we're gonna put the numbers in order. Least to greatest. Technically, if you did greatest least, you still get the same concept. One more one over there. You put it in order. So I'm just marking it off as I go.
This is the median. This is the median.
You'll see. And I'll make one up. 2's 1, 2, 6 enough. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you're right. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2, 3, 4.
Wait, 4.
4, 3 4s. 1, 2, 3.
This is gonna be my new iPhone. This is
Yeah.
the Wi-Fi pack.
The Wi-Fi password. Yeah, it's 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 4, and everyone's get confused. 4 1s, 1 4, 4 3s, 3 2s, 2 2s, and 2 5s.
The median's 2.
Okay, now we're gonna take the middle. Now, if you just go from left to right, so you just kind of, yeah. So I'm just going to the middle,
This is the median.
the median, yeah.
Median.
Yeah, the median. So these two are the middle.
Medium.
This is the same numbers in order. Okay, so now here's a side note. You can put this next to your definition, or you can put it right next to the example. If you have an even amount, even number of terms. So if you have even amount of terms, like this one, we're 18. So we get 2, 2. You don't get 2 medians. You average the 2 middles. You average. Yeah, still 2, but I'll make one that is not 2. So.
I realized this when I was a kid.
The 2 middle terms. The wolf?
It's just like when you have 10 fingers.
Danny, you got a question? Okay. Wolf, where's the wolf? Number, that's a number sign. No, that's a number, pound symbol, hashtag, whatever. Even number of terms, you average the 2 middle terms. So in this case, it's 2.
Hey, but I wrote median here and then
Yeah, and then what's the middle numbers?
which one though?
You just gotta count them down, but it's like 2, 2. I'll pick one that it'll be clear, so we could do another.
Does it say trend? You average? What does that say?
You average them, so you add them to, yeah, sure, I will tell one. What's up?
What is it?
Even number of terms, you average, yeah. Even number of terms, you average the 2 middle terms.
So 2 over 2.
2 plus 2 over 2, which is 4 over 2, which is 2. Now, if there's the same number, it's gonna be the same number. But I'll do an example where it's not the same.
And then for, let's say mode.
Okay, now mode.
So the answer for the median is 2.
Mode in this one is the most common number. 2 happens 7 times. Nothing else happens 7 times. So it's 2. So what can I say about siblings? Most people in this classroom has 2 siblings about. Some has 3 and 4, some has 1. But about 2 would be the estimate. If I were to randomly pick somebody here, most likely they would have 2 siblings. Yo,
Modes.
For the
No.
range part, let's say if we put it in order, are you able to find the range with that, or you have to do?
oh, you just do biggest number and smallest number.
Yeah, but no, but I'm saying, do you have to like put it into like order?
No, you could just take the biggest and smallest for range, but you're gonna put it in order anyway for median. So
Well, because you know how like, let's say if you didn't put in order, you'd have 2 and 1, so you just do, oh, sorry, no, oh, yeah. right.
biggest number,
You're
smallest,
right,
yeah.
you're right.
Okay, and then the range is just the largest and the smallest. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. What does that mean? The change between siblings is 3 units. Some people have 1, some people have 4, and some people are in between.
No, so I got confused. I thought it was like the first number and the last. I was thinking like the biggest number and small. I was just, I made a mistake.
Would you just admit to the Zoom?
So let's do another one. I'm gonna move the definitions away, so make sure you have those down. If you don't remember them somehow, let's go to the next page. I'm picking a new one.
So the median's 2?
Yeah, me too. I need something that got varying amount of data. Everyone, go on your phone and check. What is your average weekly time or something like that?
Oh, that's gonna be very high.
Let's do it. Average weekly time, or what is it? Daily or weekly, is it?
Yeah, just both.
How do I check it?
Daily average. All right, I'm gonna, wow. All right. All right. Daily, let's go daily. All right, hold up, one at a time, one at a time. I'm not gonna look at it. All right.
Mine's 4 hours.
All right,
Mine's 9 hours and 41 minutes.
guys. Dailies, let's go. Was it 9:41?
Look at mine.
What do you got? 6:20. Good. Okay. 4:39.
I spent 12 hours and 35 minutes.
Daily average, daily average. Okay.
747.
Oh,
740.
did you get mine yet?
Yeah, let's go daily.
4 hours and 30 minutes.
4:30.
I'm on my computer.
Hupper, you got it?
Look at how much on here.
Hupper?
Here, 5 hours and 4 minutes. No. 4 hours and 19 for Hupper.
Okay.
I'm on Snap for 12 hours a day.
9:11. 3:28. And then Glit, you're what? 5:54.
9 hours for 2 minutes and it's 11%.
I think I got some people back here. Kobe, you got your number?
You see, correct.
I'll go there soon. What's up?
9% down.
0?
Mine is 9 hours, 41 minutes.
You don't have any weekly,
Mine's 6:20.
so I'll put 0, sure.
How are any of you 9 hours?
All right.
In the summer, I was like 15.
I don't even.
Guys around me, you're quiet.
Yo, look, you think this is a lot? It's 11% down. from
What
last
is it,
year.
bro?
Well, how do I do that?
Guys. All right, 9:39. Tara. 9:14. Daniela. 9:53. 8:35. Kira.
Yes, that's on.
6:11. Okay,
Today is only down to
7 hours.
7:41.
3 hours.
All right.
Who's 0?
No one. He's not actually 0. He's not actually 0. You can't be possible.
Yo, how would I check like?
Well, 11. What else do you do besides?
11% more. Like you want to figure out what your producer. So you know it's 9. I'm changing the minutes, but it's 9:42. It's not correct. It's not that. But times, you know that it was 11% more. So it's going to be 1.11. 111%.
No, I
Gives
did
you your
7 hours.
minutes.
Oh, wait, so So mine would be
If
620
include
times.
1 point blah blah blah. Is it more or less?
It's 14%. It's 14%.
So 1 minus 14, so 84.
So 620 minus.
10 hours and like 45 minutes.
Yep. All right, everyone. This is daily. This is daily. Weekly, I don't want to get depressed. All right.
did weekly.
You did do. No way you did weekly.
I did.
You do 7 hours a week? That's less than 1 hour a day. You're definitely, you're on this class more than an hour a day. We only got 40 minutes in this class. All right, everyone, put it in order. Find the mean, median, and mode. Everyone do that. Change it to decimals. I don't want you to convert it to minutes, so just change it to decimals, okay?
Order from least to greatest.
Yes, everyone try it. Mean, median, mode.
Is it 419?
Yeah, put it in order. Like just the hours? No, put it as a decimal, so 9.41. That's easier than what we should do. But I know, but that's the tough part about it.
419.
Try it. I want you to actually practice this.
Yeah, you gotta have it.
419. No, it's after 419. 439.
It's after 439. Oh, it was 419.
What's after 439? 611.
No.
430. Oh, there's 430. There's 430.
Oh, I did 430.
Michael, I hate you. It's 430.
439 and then it would be 554. 554 shade.
4.39, and then what's after that?
Oh, wait, 554. Brand, it's not.
Brand, it's not actually. You don't actually have 0 minutes.
No, because people don't have it turned on.
It's not, it doesn't have it turned on. 5.54.
The next one's
Mr.
5.54.
Toggle.
And then 620.
You know when you're watching TV before you go to sleep, you accidentally leave it on.
No, 611, bro.
Yeah.
Wait, where's
I
611?
have a TV in my room.
Where's 611?
Fast.
6.20.
I have this much.
Yeah, and then,
721.
you sure?
Yeah, then 741.
Okay.
Mr. Toggle, I'm calling.
You like what's like
741.
I don't watch it.
Wait, what comes after 721?
741.
835.
No,
What?
it goes 721, 741, 747.
Oh, 47.
I'm 747.
And then 835.
No. Yeah.
And then 911.
Is your average or how much you
835.
911.
That means all the classes.
This is the total.
911.
That's the total.
911 and 914.
939, don't forget 939.
911, 914.
9, oh,
Then 9. Then 9.
939. 939 to 941.
Oh, yeah.
I won. Haha. I had the highest time.
Wait, and then you have.
What was the last one?
943.
Don't forget to
953.
count 0 in the
950
sum,
where?
even though that changes the total. That's gonna change.
Oh, yeah.
the amount.
Ah, you lost. Ah.
I got it. You got it. Of course.
Yeah.
What's the middle number?
One.
I think I used
You change it to decimal, or you just did that?
What's the last one? 953.
953.
So you'd be.
Who's 953?
What do you see, 950?
But then you have decimal.
Okay, can I figure?
What was the number again?
You won the best so
And
far.
then you got that.
No, I missed. Oh, wait, no.
No, that shouldn't be because you. They try to count.
No, I messed it up.
Because it would just be two zeros.
Wait, what'd you get?
Oh,
You guys are still working.
Mr. Toggle.
What's up, Ethan?
My dad just went to the dentist and the guy next to him wanted to get his tooth pulled. And then they said $40 for anesthesia. So the guy next to him just had them rip out the tooth with no anesthesia because he didn't want to pay $40.
$6. It'll be $6.
$40 for a really painful day.
Yes, I wouldn't do it.
Wait,
That
how
would
much?
be
I
a
think I
lot of
just paid
stuff.
$40.
6.53.
It was 400, Mr. Toggle.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I would let it
Because he
work
never
out.
insurance. I like rip it out.
Yeah, I just love ripping
You can get a lot of stuff with that.
Exactly. I buy a whole new house.
So, my dog, I got my dog a rose and he walks around with it ever.
The dog, he has a rose and he walks around with it.
Yeah.
That's good.
No, it's a rose.
Wait, what am I-
That is a flower, bro.
Wait, do we count zero or no?
In terms of what you divide, yes. Even though it doesn't change the total, that is an event that you counted. Oh, the mode? The mode is zero. It's zero minus, oh, the range. I forgot the range.
Point one.
That's what number? For the range.
Just add it.
divided.
For the range? So what's the smallest number?
Yeah,
I agree. What's the biggest number?
9.53.
Okay, so just subtract that. All right, then
I think I added. You're
I
wrong.
think
You
I
have to put the
did one of
decimal.
them twice.
maybe something like that, yeah. I think that's more, that
This
seems
is what you
more
get.
like, that's the total and then divided by 17.
Oh, yeah. What's it?
Did you divide by 17? You're missing one because it's 111. Because I've seen a lot of people give me 111. You're missing a 9-hour one? Do you miss 9.41?
111.
How many kids are there?
Why do
18.
I have
That's
three
not right.
notifications?
I
That's not right, man.
No,
I
Stan,
didn't
my
let her-
notifications
I divided it.
But if you click, if you just
Weird,
add it
that's
over.
So you divided by what, 17?
How do you?
Multiply by 17?
Has anyone here of a creative class ever actually read anything outside of school?
It's just 11 hours.
She doesn't care.
Then add the thing.
I didn't miss 9.4.
All right, just get the total
Is
for
it
somebody
6?
else. Don't worry.
Say what the total from somebody else.
111.07
Over 18.
No, I didn't.
over
Told
17.
you.
No,
But
111.99. I got 6.5.
What was the total you got?
1.111.07.
111.03.
0.07.
Wait, why is everyone getting short numbers?
Yeah, what the?
People are just bad at using calculators.
We're gonna say 07 because it's in between the two. All right,
I messed up.
it's okay, man. This, you'll know, you learn how to fix
Oh,
it.
no, I can add 3.
I mean, it's like you're literally just typing in a calculator. I'm sure you could do that on the time.
What did you?
Divided by 17. There's
Wow.
only 17 numbers.
How?
Count it.
And the other one was 18.
Count it again.
Oh, because you counted yourself.
And then it would be 6.53. This.
Like a thing on-
Don't show me that.
I go back.
You're okay, funny?
I didn't do it.
All right. So the
Oh, but then-
1 point, did someone did the average for this? At
Yeah.
0.07?
2.
07?
Oh, I got
Divided
it.
by-
I got it. It's a total.
6.53.
Okay, then you divide that by 17, you'll get it.
6.53.
What? I have to
6.5.
divide by 17 twice?
No, once.
I did.
You divided once, and you got that?
I added all together.
That's not right.
You didn't do decimals.
Yeah, that's what, you could do it without decimals, but
Yeah, you just put the decimal.
What
No,
about
that's
that?
not right.
6.53.
that's more
That's-
correct, yeah. 6.53-ish. Yeah.
6.5.
All right, media, did anyone do it in order? And,
Yeah, I did.
what do you got?
No.
7.21.
Mode, is there anything that happens more than once?
Yes.
Which one happens more than once?
No.
I just say yes. I really
None.
zero.
No, so mode is not zero, that's actual number. Doesn't exist. So no mode. They're all the same. NA, you could put a zero, you could put it like a, not zero, but zero, but that's a null.
Mr. Tolbo, this is a convenience statistic.
Because there's nothing that happens more than once, so they all happen equally.
This is a convenience thing.
What's a convenience thing?
Convenience statistic thing.
What's, well.
Yes, it was a convenience sample. And then the range is really easy because one of them is zero, so 9.53.
What's the most, no.
Most common happens, nothing happens more than once, so none of them is most common.
Do people in real life have calculators?
Go ahead. Is there any other statistic I could take from people that would get different numbers?
I don't think I have speaker.
That's,
Oh, like different numbers?
yeah, so the people get different numbers. Like the phone was, everyone had a different number.
So, if I get the vaccine, that's where I'm at.
What's up?
Yes.
I'm not wearing a mask.
Yeah, that's the rules.
What guys think about it?
Whether you agree or not, that's the rules.
If we're-
I agree or disagree with it. It's the rules.
Because
That's what it
we're
is.
low risk.
This
I
is
know.
legal.
I know what the arguments are.
Actually catching it.
Yarn, any ideas of something I could collect from, any data I could collect from somebody, from these people that,
I
that
stabbed
give me
myself.
different,
Are we
that,
finished?
it has to be a number,
Okay,
bro.
I got it. What's it called? How old they
Mr.
are.
Tolbo.
Everyone's here's the same age,
No,
bro.
not really. It's because they're 14. It's because they're 15.
You're gonna get almost the
Fine,
same
I got
number.
something else. Actually, that's.
Oh, no.
No,
Um,
it can still carry.
You can still get your you become
Times
power.
equals.
Let's see how many parents.
I want to get ten power.
Or like how many miles?
This so right when you have the vaccine, you have a less chance.
All right, I got an idea. All right, last one.
Wait, what was the range?
It's a 0 minus,
9.53. I mean, 9. No,
yeah, it's the biggest minus the smallest. So 9.53 minus 0 is 0. All right. So this one, you gotta think a little bit. Here's a question. Has everyone here bought something online before? All right. How much was the last thing you bought online? How much did it cost?
I can tell.
Think about how much it would have been.
$35.
I heard 35. What is the last thing you bought online? How much it cost?
Shake, you know what?
48.
Do you want me to round it?
Yeah, sure.
Like
To $1.
It was 23.
23?
It was DoorDash from Carvel. so-
There you go.
This one's on RJ shirt.
Anyone else have any numbers? 12, 266.
What are you buying for two?
Do you have a number? 95,
60.
25, 46. I'm gonna round it to $25.
So you want me to check my last?
60. Anyone else has any numbers they shopped recently they could give me?
Not shop.
What's up?
Alicia, we don't really look at this dairy farm.
All right.
Oh.
I thought you were saying, like, yeah.
Kobe, was this a
$12.36.
sneaker or something? All right.
Send me the link.
What's up? Exactly 100?
$12.36.
12. So this is 12.
Like $10.
$10?
Does Uber Eats count?
Yeah, that's something you ordered on a phone or online, something
What
like
about
that.
you?
Me?
Like,
It would be, no. It would be like 30, it was like my mother's gift. So what was it?
My mom asked. me-
Actually, I ordered that too.
I have
Yeah.
to check my Chase.
But that might not be the last one. 36 or something? I have to open up my bank and. I don't
That's what I
know.
did.
Yeah. Anyone else has a number? All right, let's go through it. Everyone, last one for today. Mean, median, mode, range. Everyone, last one, mean, median, mode.
Can I get your charger?
Kobe, put your mask on again. That doesn't matter. The rules, put the mask on. Yo. What's up? I really hope so, but who knows? They just extended it again, like a lot of things, so.
We want to be the only person live.
Okay, you wanna still wear masks next year? Go for it.
I think it should be optional. That's funny.
Optional, yo, like, that's just stupid.
It's-
Yeah.
It should be optional for people with the vaccine. They should, like, for people that don't have the vaccine, it should be.
Yeah.
Correct. At that point,
Mr. Tobo.
That's not true, though.
That's not true.
A lot of people's parents don't want them to get it.
Yeah.
Mr. Tobo, rank.
It's not
this
tested
change
on
on
kids.
you. What's the best you change?
Unreal.
Is it 11?
This black one's just solid.
Really?
No, because you're not done.
I stole this from my mom's pocket. It's one of those.
Kobe, I'm gonna write you up. Get your mask on, bro.
you're a fucking little.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa.
What's happening over here? Why you have a baseball bat?
Because it came with like there was like a baseball.
You know, I don't really care. Yeah. It's okay, yeah.
But now I lost the baseball.
Also baseball.
It came out from someone.
Math last year. No, it's not.
Oh.
Yeah, I did for like 4 years. Yeah.
I've heard math.
I had
I'll
math
say.
for the past 3 years straight.
I'll say.
In a meeting, like,
Since 7th grade. If I ever.
This is my old-
People are happy. How many people have their students, I guess, surround them? I don't know.
6th grade. This one class.
Who spent $266?
266?
No,
The brand bought a shoe.
27.
Yeah, divided by 11
Oh, I thought you were saying like the.
equals 57.
So the median is
Oh,
35.
57.
Okay.
So wait, it's, so the mode is this number?
What happens the most often? Is there anything that happens more than once?
57, right?
Is that the mode?
That's mode, most often. That's the mean, that's the mean.
Oh.
The mean is 57. The
Mhm.
median. I think I got
The mode the mode is NA.
56.
I thought that the mean was
Oh,
middle
yeah.
and like.
Wait, how do you get range?
They're all middle, like there's different ways to measure the middle.
the proper measurements.
Oh.
It's 250.
So
You're being annoyed.
just a question, just look at this. 256?
Yeah.
What's the
Oh,
mode?
256.
How do you get the mode again?
The mode, the most common. Has anything happened more than once on this one?
Permission.
Yes, 12.
So 12, it's the mode. Because it happens twice, why everything only happens once. Now notice, because Kobe Bryant bought sneakers, he raised the average a lot. When the median is actually 35, the mean is like 57. So you could raise the average a lot, or that would be considered an outlier. All right?
That's what I said out loud.
No problem. You're gonna get a lot of homework tonight, so. No, I'm just joking.
You are being
He's not
annoyed.
kidding. He's gonna-
You're being annoyed, the king of Egypt.